Hi guys, I'm Kiki and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most delicious, gluten-free, sugar-free waffles. All you need is a couple ingredients and a regular waffle maker. I got mine for 30 bucks at Target. I first saw the Esselstyns make this recipe on their YouTube channel, so I will pop up a card so you can check them out. They add a couple extra things, orange zest being one of them, which would be delicious, but if you've spent any time on my channel, you know I'm somewhat of a lazy cook. I don't like extra steps, so I leave that out. I like to keep my family's expectations low for me in the kitchen.
All you're gonna need is some ripe bananas, some ground flaxseed, rolled oats, vanilla, and some water. And of course you're gonna need a waffle maker. This is just a $30 one from Target. A Belgian waffle maker will not work because they will come out too thick and tough. We've already tried, so just a regular waffle maker.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with 3 cups of oats. Then to that, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. And you can't skip this. This helps it stick together. I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla. We like vanilla. You can leave that out if you want. But maybe like a tablespoon. And then 3 really ripe bananas. Make sure they're really ripe, otherwise it won't be very sweet. And now I'm just gonna add 1.5 cups of water and blend it until smooth. And that's it, guys. See, that's your batter. Ooh, I almost lost it there. That's it, and I'm just gonna pour it into my waffle iron. All right, so all I do is pour a little in, and I don't spray this at all, but if your iron is old, you might need to get a new one or lightly spray it. That's it. And then you have to let them sit for several minutes, otherwise they will stick. So that'll sit here for a while and crisp up, and I'll show you how they come out. All right. Ooh, there they are, perfect. Ooh. See, they're perfect and crispy, no oil needed. My kids love these. All right, there it is. As you can see, it's gorgeous. They're so delicious. We just like to top with fresh fruit and dragon fruit syrup. It's just frozen dragon fruit, frozen strawberries, and I added a couple dates to sweeten it up, and my kids love it. All right, there she is all put together, and this makes about 12 waffles.